This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to easily erase unwanted elements from your CapCut projects. First, tap on your video clip in the timeline, then look for the cutout feature in the bottom menu. Select Remove Background to automatically delete the main background, often with impressive accuracy, in just a few moments. This is perfect for quick subject isolation. When you need to remove a specific object rather than a full background, use the Custom Cutout option. Activate the brush tool and carefully draw over the elements you wish to erase from your scene. You can adjust the brush size, making it larger for big areas or smaller for intricate details, ensuring a clean and precise deletion. Another powerful technique involves using masks to selectively hide parts of your video. Tap on your clip, then find the mask feature in the editing options. You can choose a shape like a rectangle or a circle, then adjust its size and position to cover the element you want to erase. Adding a slight feather effect can help blend the edges smoothly, making the removal appear natural. Sometimes, the simplest solution is to crop unwanted elements right out of your frame. Select your video clip, go to the Edit section, and then choose Crop. You will see a box appear around your video. Simply drag the corners or sides inward to cut off any parts you no longer need, creating a cleaner and more focused composition for your viewer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.